Hi guys and welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to create OnlyFans account. To start, open your internet browser and then search for OnlyFans. Then tap on the link that says onlyfans.com. If it does not work, search for OnlyFans sign up on your internet browser once again and then click on the link that says Start OnlyFans. If ever your internet is not working because OnlyFans is not available for some countries, open your VPN provider. Once you turn on your VPN, search for OnlyFans sign up once again, and then click on the link that says start.onlyfans.com. In here, tap on the button that says sign up. If it's still not working, open onlyfans.com in your internet browser. Then in here, there is an option that says sign up for OnlyFans. Once you click on that option, enter your name, your email, and then your password. Once done, click on Log In. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.